If you're an individual or self-employed or a small to medium-sized business and can't afford your health insurance, I'd like to take a few minutes of your time and talk to you about some alternative coverages you may not be aware of. Hi, my name is Vito Malfitto, and my company here in Ellijay, Georgia is called Christian Healthcare Solutions. I've been in the business of health insurance for the past 18 years, so I know just a little bit about the health insurance crisis that we're all facing together. Today, many of my clients, like you, can barely afford or can't afford health insurance, but nearly all of you need to know that there are other valid alternatives that would cost you a lot less each month and may even lower that out-of-pocket exposures, your deductibles and co-insurances. I'd like to tell you a little bit more about that. Most of my clients don't understand the true cost of their health insurance plan. They have no idea what their out-of-pocket maximum is and don't understand what co-insurance is and how much it may cost them. You see, there is a cost to own your health insurance, and that's your monthly premium, and a cost to use it, and that's your true out-of-pocket cost. Let me give you a real-life example. My client and his wife are both 45 years old, and they have 2 children. They purchased the Blue Cross HMO Bronze plan, which is the least expensive, with a $1,245 monthly premium. That's the cost to own it. And a family deductible of $13,000, and that's the cost to use it. So the true cost of that policy, if they had a serious event, would be $27,940. That's their responsibility before the insurance kicks in. Yikes. Let me give you a statistic. 60% of all bankruptcies are because of medical expenses. 80% of those bankruptcies had health insurance coverage. Here are some of the features and benefits on one of the plans that I represent. Generally, it's 60% less expensive than today's health plans without a tax penalty. The plan has a PPO network of over 700,000 doctors and hospitals. There is no lifetime maximum of benefits. It's 24/7 access to a doctor via telephone and includes a dental program as well. Doctor's office visits are $35 and emergency room visits are $135. You already know how expensive health insurance is, but you don't want to be without health coverage in case of a major event like a heart attack, accident, or cancer diagnosis without the protection of a health policy can offer. Look, we protect our cars and our homes because we don't want the financial exposure of a catastrophic loss that would crush us financially. For many of you, I have some very helpful and affordable options that can put you in a much safer place. Programs that you can afford and coverages that will lower your out-of-pocket exposure both in cost to own and cost to use. The savings would be so affordable that we can insert an insurance gap plan that covers your out-of-pocket hospital costs for admission, surgery, and accident. While my client that was paying $1,245 a month for the health coverage, they chose a plan with a monthly cost of $568 a month, which included the gap plan and a PPO dental plan. So on their health coverage, they would have zero out-of-pocket for hospitalization. Want to see what I can do for you? Just fill out the form on this page and I'll get right back to you. We'd love to see if we can help you. Lastly, some of you may be over 65. We have all the Medicare Supplement and Medicare Advantage plans available for your review. We can't help everyone, but there's a good chance we can help you. Our services don't cost you anything, and we'll save you a lot. I'm Vito Malfitto with Christian Healthcare Solutions. I hope we can help you today. Thank you for your time.